Ayan, ituturo ko sa inyo ngayon kung paano ito isolve. Ang ating given, 3 times the quantity of 2a plus 5 equals 27. Dalawa yung ating pamamaraan. We have two ways para ma-solve ito. Okay, ituturo ko sa inyo separately. Unahin muna natin yung ating first way. Okay, ito yung direct substitution. Okay, paano yon? 3 times the quantity of 2a plus 5 equals 27. Kasi our target here is to find the value of A. A is our variable. Letter A. Now, ang first way natin, i-divide lang muna natin to since ang 27 ay divisible sa 3. Divide both sides by 3. Okay, makakancel na yon, which is equivalent to 1. Then bring down 2A plus 5 equals 27 divided by 3 is 9. Then as we can see, nagkaroon na ngayon tayo ng linear equation. 2a plus 5 equals 9. Madali na natin makukuha ang value ng a. Anong gawin natin? 2a equals 9. Liliban na ng equal sign yun. Positive 5 magiging negative 5. Although alam natin ang additive inverse, pero pwede naman natin itong i-apply na para hindi na humaba ang ating solution. Since our target only is to get the value of a variable. Then divide, okay, now, simplify natin. 2a equals 9 minus 5 is 4. Then divide both sides by 2. Ayan, makakancel na uli yun, which is equivalent to 1. A equals 4 divided by 2 is 2. Therefore, the value of a here is 2. Okay, now, ito naman yung ating second way para makuha natin ang value ng a variable. Okay, paano yon? I-distribute pa natin isa-isa. 3, i-distribute natin sa binomial na 2a plus 5. 3 times 2a is 6a. Then, plus 3 times 5 is 15. Equals 27. Okay, nagkaroon tayo ng 6a plus 15 equals 27. Then, equals 27. I-transpose natin yung positive 15 sa right side. Pag lumiban ang equal sign, magpapalit ng sign. Magiging negative 15. Then we have 6a equals 27 minus 15 is 12. Divide both sides by numerical coefficient of a which is 6. Then makakancel na yon, equivalent to 1. A equals 12 divided by 6 is 2. Ganon din ang nakuha nating sagot. Dalawang way ang ating, we have two ways how to solve the given equation. Pero, kita nyo naman yung difference natin. Alin yung mas madali sa inyo, yun yung i-apply at gamitin nyo.